Hey, it's me, Chris from Red Gear. So today I'm doing a short unboxing, semi-short unboxing, because I know a guy who either works at a trash yard or owns a trash yard. It's Lars Peterson. He's selling his stuff in some lab groups on Facebook. I most likely posted to one of these. And I bought some sort of, I wanted to buy plastic, is it plastic? Plastic Surveyor belt chains for a build. And he decided to send me some kind of surprise package with a lot of stuff in it. So now I will do an unboxing of it. As you can see, fucking hell. As you can see, this is heavy. And it's packed like it's some sort of explosion device. And let's do this. It's a DVD of training day. Okay. Ah, that looks nice. Why? Also a good movie, but why? Okay, here's a shitload of shotgun shells, which is great. I have to find something to put these in. I paid 30 euros. I paid for 30 euros for the belt I'm going to show you when I collected all the other shit. All of the other stuff was bonus that he sent me and demanded that I make a video on it. So that's what I'm doing right now. Shotgun shells, more shotgun shells. You can never have enough of these. Okay, then there's grease. I'm not in need of grease. This is an old photo of some sort of Anna Gutsche. Born Smith, 1920, died 1957. Okay, I will throw this out because I definitely don't need grease. More shotgun shells, more shotgun shells, more shotgun shells. What the fuck is this? Ah, a measure tape. Great. Also can't have enough of these either. These are... Oh great, more vape liquids. He sent me a big box of those already when I bought something else. So yay, more vape liquids. Even more vape liquids. Old CDs. TKKG CDs. Okay. Great. Ah, tire. Parts of tires. That he taped together for some reason. These are... Oh cool. Those are seat thingies from your car. That I will most likely use for a build. What do we have here? Another clip stings thing. I think it's a belt. From Mr. Wash. And... Oh cool. This one I can actually use. Ah, it's too much stuff. More shotgun shells. An infinite amount of shotgun shells. What the? Okay. Ah, one of those tea thingies. Yeah, I can use this too. At least these things. What the? Okay, yo, parts of car tires. These I can also use. What's this? Ah, okay. Cartown 3. Okay, carton 3. And into the license plate pile you go. Ah, here's the chain finally. So this is what I paid my money for. This is a surveyor belt chain, or in my case, this will be armor, or some sort of plating that you can hang. It's great because it's plastic, so it's not that heavy. I need to find some sort of place for it though. On the floor you go. Okay, here we go again with more stuff. You will be a trash bag now. More. Even more. Oh. And a knife. That's cool. Wow, that worked great. These more shotgun shells. And a tape measure. And another tape measure. I need these, I lose these all the time, so that's great. This is a thing you put your baby into? What the fuck? What is this supposed to be? It looks like a flak jacket for a child. Or is this for your dog? The fuck is this? Dude, why did you send me a flak jacket for a dog? This looks... okay. Dog flak jacket. More shotgun shells. Thanks for the shotgun shells. And more of this. And more of this. I have so many of these I will throw these out. And this is some sort of pink thing. What the fuck is this? Is this a... okay. Okay, I will have to find a use for this, maybe for a cyberpunk project or something. Is this a decontamination suit? Okay. This is a... okay, if COVID gets worse, I'm fine. Because I've got my own Murora V4F1 ABC decontamination suit thing. Which is actually quite great. Thank you, buddy. I will find some use for this in a future project. I'm planning to do some cyberpunk builds, and I think this is perfect for that. What's this? Ah, this is part of them. Okay. Nice. A shame it's pink. Yeah, but thank you. Go over there. What do we have here? This is... okay, you are a trash container now. So yeah, that's about it. I've got an ABC suit. I've got these chains. The suit is fucking great. I've got a lot of those things. I will keep half of it. The other half I will cut up and most likely throw out. You are for trash now. So yeah, that's it. I don't know if I don't even have a DVD player. So thanks for... if anybody wants Training Day on DVD, hit me up. Or just watch it on Netflix, I guess. Have a nice day.